Students, our today we will solve some numericals related to distance and displacement. Okay, now see, a body travel in a semicircular path of radius 10 meter, starting its motion from point A to point B. Calculate the distance and displacement. Okay, now see again, a body travel in a semicircular path of radius 10 centimeter. Okay, semicircular path. See, this is a semicircular path. Okay, and what is the radius of the semicircular path? 10 meter. Okay, this is the radius of this semicircular path, and its motion from A to point B. Starting point is A, initial point is A, and final point is B, and you have to calculate the distance and displacement. Okay, now see, it is a semicircular path. Since the path is circular, suppose your path is circular, then what is the total distance? Distance is equal to the total path covered by the body. And for the circular path, what is the total? For this circular path, what is the total path covered by your body? This only. And this is what? The circumference of the circle. And what is the formula of circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. What is the value of pi here? 3.14. This is the value of pi. Pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, so since the circumference of a circular path is 2 pi r, then what is the circumference of a semicircular path? Obviously 2 pi r divided by 2. You have to divide the circumference of a circle with 2 by 2. So this 2 will be 2 will be cancelled out, and your answer is pi r. Pi r. R is what? Radius. Okay, so distance is what? The circumference of this semicircular path. Okay, now see here, this, the total distance traveled by a body is equal to total path. Okay, and here the given path is semicircle, so we use the formula of circumference of a semicircle. And what is the formula of circumference of a semicircle? Pi into r. Put the value of pi, it is 3.14. okay, and what is the value of r? Radius 10. okay, and if you multiply 3.14 by 10, then it will be 31.4 meter, which is your answer. Okay, now see, you have to find the displacement in the next. Okay, so total displacement or displacement is equal to 2 into r. See in the diagram, what is displacement? The shortest distance between initial and final point. What is the shortest distance between A and B? If this is r, so this is again r. So what is the total distance here? 20 meter only. So your displacement is 20 meter. Okay, now see the next question. What is the next question? A body travel in a circular path of radius 10 meter starting from point A. Okay, calculate the distance and displacement. Now here your path is a circular path, not a semicircle path. Okay, so you will use for displacement. Okay, for displacement you will use the circumference of the circle, 2 pi r, where pi is equal to 3.14, and what is the value of r? 10 meter. Okay, and it is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 10. Okay, now tell me what is the answer. Now see the next question. This is a homework question. Okay, now see the next one. A body travel in a semicircle path of radius 5 centimeter. Now your path is semicircle with radius 5 meter from point to A to B. Calculate the distance and displacement. This is a semicircular path. Okay, my drawing is not so much good. Okay, so this is a semicircular path, and this is a radius. You have to find the distance and displacement here. Okay, thank you so much.